there! My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making, if I could just remember the name, Asian chicken lettuce wraps. You'll start with an entire rotisserie chicken, shred it up, and then toss it in a peanut butter soy sauce that is so good it'll make you want to lick your plate. And then of course you'll load it into these cute little bib or butter leaf lettuce cups, and you can take it with you for lunch or dinner that's healthy, low carb, and all of your friends and coworkers will be uber jealous. If that sounds good to you? Come on in and let's get started. Our Asian chicken lettuce wraps are all ready to eat, and I cannot wait to take a bite. I think it took me like 20-25 minutes tops to make this from start to finish. So for a quick and easy weeknight dinner or make ahead lunch the night before, you gotta try this recipe. Here comes a big bite. That juicy and tender chicken mixed together with that sweet and spicy sauce. And then you get a little bit of a crunch from the peanuts and the red bell peppers. This is so good, and it was so quick and easy to make. If you're not already, go ahead and follow Evolving Table at Evolving Table on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Or if you're on YouTube, subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon. And today we're going to be making like we're making bacon. That hick accent comes out sometimes.